This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your system and getting credentials ready. Install the VPN app on your device first so system routes are available, then add the Chrome extension to integrate with the browser. Sign into the VPN account and grant the extension necessary permissions. Once done, confirm the extension icon appears in Chrome's toolbar and that the VPN app shows a connected or ready state. These early steps ensure Chrome can use the tunnel and avoid conflicts between app and extension. Now you configure the extension so Chrome traffic uses the VPN. Click the extension icon and sign in if prompted. Pin it for one-click control. Choose a server location optimized for speed or content access and pick the recommended protocol, WireGuard or OpenVPN for best performance. Enable the extension's kill switch or split tunneling if you want selective routing. Once settings are applied, reload tabs and check your IP and site access. Make sure DNS leaks are prevented to maintain privacy. Finally, connect with the extension and verify that Chrome's requests use the VPN. Click Connect and watch the icon change to Connected and show the server city. Then visit an IP check site to confirm your address and location. If pages load slowly or fail, clear cache and cookies or restart Chrome to remove stale routes. If problems persist, disable conflicting extensions, check your firewall or antivirus settings, and reinstall the VPN extension. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle the VPN app off and on to refresh system routes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.